Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for your love and support. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make carrot oil, carrot hair conditioner for your hair, and carrot body cream for your skin. Alright, these are fresh carrots. Make sure your carrots are properly washed. And if the skin of your carrot is still looking very unpleasant, just make sure you properly scrape them off by using a peeler or a knife. So I'm practically chopping my carrot, and that is my fresh carrot. Know that carrot contains beta carotene that is very good for your hair. Carrot contains vitamin E and of course vitamin A. Vitamin A is very good for hair and skin. And that is olive oil. I am using the cup I'm using there is half cup of olive oil, but I'm going to be using 2 of that half cup of olive oil, and I'm going to be blending the whole mixture. Alright guys, I've blended the carrot and I'm gonna be cooking this carrot to extract the oil from the carrot. This oil we are about to make is very healthy for hair growth. If you're trying to work on your hair, the thickness of your hair, the length of your hair, you should make this oil, at your own house so that you can use it. I recommend that you use this oil every day or every other day to get the desired result you want from your hair or your skin. I love to use this method to extract my carrot because it completely allows the carrot to, take out all the vitamin A and vitamin E in the carrot. And this method is so simple, it's so easy for anyone to try out. So right now we are done cooking the oil, and I'm going to be extracting it using a white paper towel. I just placed the white paper towel under a sieve, and I am putting all the carrots in that sieve. So I'm going to be using something like a pestle to press hard on the carrots to enable the oil to come out from the sieve. As you can see, our oil is pure, and I'm going to be doing a second cooking. You can see there is particle of water. You can see some particles of water in that oil. So this method will enable us to completely dry off all these water particles that can contaminate your oil. So if you really want to keep your oil for a very long time, or you want to have it as a carrier oil, I advise that you follow this method to extract your oil. This method will completely take off every little particle of water in the oil. So I am cooking it all the second time, and I'm using that spoon to just stir gradually. Ensure that your heat is as low as possible while you gradually stir the oil in order for the water remaining in the oil to completely dry up. Alright everyone, we are done cooking the oil the second time, and I am going to be doing a second filtering. This will enable us to get rid of every tiny little particle left in the oil. All right, guys, we are done with the oil, and that is castor oil. Castor oil helps to strengthen the roots of your hair for more hair growth. I'm going to be adding 2 tablespoons of castor oil into the carrot oil. All right, everyone, our carrot oil is ready. It's pure and it's so clean. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to use this carrot oil for hair growth. Take any conditioner, leave-in conditioner that you use. For me, I'm using Cantu leave-in conditioner, and I'm going to be scooping 4 tablespoons of Cantu leave-in conditioner. Ensure that your hair is properly washed before you apply this treatment on your hair. And that is our carrot oil. I'm going to be adding a few drops of carrot oil into the leave-in conditioner. You can as well add more if you so wish. Next, I'm going to be showing you how to use the same carrot oil on your skin. Take any of your body lotion, and what I'm using here is Dove. Dove is gentle on the skin, and I'm going to be adding a few drops of carrot oil into my body cream. So I am completely stirring it. Look at that, it looks so beautiful. Look at that, oh my goodness, it looks so beautiful. Know that carrot oil lightens the skin. Carrot oil takes off every dark pigmentation on the skin, so you want to make sure that you apply this cream like every day, or every other day. And also know that consistency is the key. If you use any treatment on your body and you're not seeing immediate results, I advise that you give it time, up to 2 to 3 months or even 6 months, for you to see the desired result. All right, this is our carrot oil, this is our carrot body cream, and of course this is our carrot hair conditioner. If this video is so helpful to you, kindly give this video a thumbs up or leave me a comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share my content with your friends and families and loved ones. See you in the next video. Bye bye, love you. And see you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye bye.